Hello everyone, I'm Piyush Bansal and in today's video I'll be talking about how to grow your business from 1 lakh rupees a annum to 1 lakh rupees a month. Yes, that is possible. And I know what you might be thinking. Who is this guy who's been talking about how to create like 1 lakh rupees a month from 1 lakh rupees an annum? So let me tell you how and why I'm doing this. I left my successful career and I was earning like more than 1 lakh rupees a month at that time. And I started my own entrepreneurship in education startup to start empowering educators to transform people's life. And when I started it, I went from 1 lakh rupees a month to around 1 lakh rupees per annum. And yes, that was the stage when I started with. But as the time went by, I was able to again create a monthly income of rupees 1 lakh rupees and more. And you might be asking, you might be thinking how. So in this today's video, I'll be talking about uh, some of the very powerful tools of creating a wonderful uh, growth structure of your business. And when I talk about this, it won't be just theoretical matters that I'll be talking about. I'll be giving you some real practical tools that you can start doing right away and get immediate results. Great. Okay. So, one more thing before I start. I want only those serious people who are committed in their life to develop and grow themselves and their business. So anyone who is just seeing this video for mere for the entertainment, it is not for them. So I would recommend you people to leave this specific video and go on with the other activities. For those who are really seriously committed and wants to grow and become a successful person, continue watching this part. So what I'll be talking about in this video is the power of focus, and through focus how you can achieve 1 lakh rupees a month in a very easy manner by doing very less and enjoying your business as whole. Because as we keep growing into our business, what happens is the things become more complicated, more and more things come into the picture and it becomes very chaotic, and it's really hard to manage all that stuff. But through the power of focus, you are able to eliminate all that chaos and focus on really those things that gets you to reward in your business and brings the growth that you're looking for. You don't believe me? Look what Warren Buffett and Bill Gates has to say about focus.
Pretty interested in investments. No, Bill and I, his father, many years ago, right after we met, had us a group of about 20 write down on a sheet of paper one word that they thought accounted for their success. And Bill and I, who may have only met twice, didn't know what the other one was writing down. We both wrote down the same word, which was focus. And he was focused on software, I was focused on investments. And it gave me a big advantage to start very young. There's no question about it.
Wasn't that awesome? Yes, that's the power of focus. So let me take you through how you can use power to grow and earn 1 lakh rupees a month from 1 lakh rupee an annum income by doing less and by enjoying and having joy of what you do. Here we go. So as you can see, the results are basically focused on the principle of focus is based on how to use your finite and limited time and energy in getting what you want to get. So the results are directly proportional to the way you use your time and energy. And everyone in this world has got the same amount of time and energy. But as you can see, still there's disparity of income. And some people are making more money or getting more success as compared to others. But a simple fact, as we can see in this part, there are four kind of people as such. There are billionaires, there are millionaires, there are lakpatis, and then there are people who are struggling. So Bill Gates are billionaires are somewhere like Bill Gates. Millionaires are somewhere like celebrities, influencers, great influencers like Shah Rukh Khan, celebrities, TV actresses, or cricketers, or successful businessmen, and more on. And then there are other people like Kapil Sharma, who are like in the bucket of lakpatis. And then there are common people like Ramesh, who are struggling in their life to really make their dough and sustain their whole lifestyle and sustenance. Isn't it right? So what is it that these billionaires and other peoples are doing differently? Or how is it that they're using their time and energy that is helping them get the right results? Let's talk about that part. So when we come to this part, how are these successful people doing it? These successful people have a very simple and very great skill of focus. People like Ramesh are usually distracted and they are focusing on each and everything. So their time and energy is spread across multiple areas, doing multiple things, and those things might not get the right results. So their path of way is very haphazard, going backward and forward in a very zigzag manner. And it is not at all aligned in the right way. Whereas people like Bill Gates, they have a very good laser focus strategy, plans and action plans through which they are able to achieve the results that they are looking for. And not only that they get the results, but they create bigger and better results. So it's something to do with, like, if you have like set of arrows and you are shooting those arrows in all the areas. And then there's this other set of people like Bill Gates who use these arrows at focusing at one laser focus point. It's like the eye of the golden fish, Arjuna. When you have that of laser focus of what is it that you have to do, you use that time and energy into those specific activities and you get those results. So that being the conceptual part of how they are doing it. Now the important thing is, how can you get more results? What is it that you can do to get more results? And by doing less and at the same time creating the joy that you want to create. It's a very simple part that you need to do is, you need to understand few concepts first. And the first concept is goal. In the part of goal, what you need to understand is that goal is something like a Dhruv Tara, a North Pole star. What does it do is, in times of darkness, in times of confusion, in times of chaos, it helps you to focus on one thing that you really want to achieve. So when you have a goal, you are able to focus your energies into one thing, and you're focusing on one thing, it amplifies. Whatever you focus on, it gets amplified. If you focus on happiness, it amplifies. If you focus on success, it amplifies. If you focus on health, it amplifies. If you focus on money, it amplifies. If you focus on value, it amplifies. So first and important thing that you need to do is make a goal. The moment you have a goal, you are all set to work, to put your time energy into a specific direction. If you are moving without a goal, it's something like it's like a ship without a map, without a captain, without the crew, without the right resources, and it's just left. It just leaves the dock, and it's on the well-being of the weather, of the climate, of the sea. And what ultimately happens is, either it drowns in the ocean, or it gets washed away at some random beach. But if you have a goal, you are like that ship that has the crew, captain, map, resources, all that things that is needed. They know where they're going, and if they leave the dock and they make a journey, 1,000 journeys, out of those 1,000 journeys, 999 times they'll reach to their specific destination. Yes, that's the power of goal. So first step is define your goal. This goal could be earning 1 lakh rupees a month, could be 2 lakhs rupees a month, or 5 lakh rupees a month. So wherever you are at your current situation, design a goal which is at least 4 times of what you are doing right away. Give it a bigger ping. The bigger you make it, the better it gets. Second thing that you need to do is you need to understand this concept of this concept was given by Pareto, and it's called Pareto rule, which talks about that 20% of the activities gives 80% of the result, and then there are other 80% of the activities that gives 20% of the result. All these successful people focuses upon those 20% activities that tells 80% result. Because they have their limited time and energy, they need to focus on only those matters which gets maximum result. So it is really important that once you have identified your goal, you need to now categorize and identify those 20% of the activities that will get you 80% of the result. And you need to eliminate all those other activities which are wasting your time. And you need to double up your time and energy on those activities which are creating more value. Now the question comes, how to do it? In this video, I'll be talking about how you can really identify those 20% activities, and you can start practicing it right away. And you will see the results. You will see the outcomes immediately. Are you excited? Just say super excited. Just say bring it on the comment box. Wonderful. So the tool is a very practical tool is that consider your time and energy as a commodity, as a measurable unit. Say for example, whatever time and energy you have in a day, what you do is for next 7 days, set an alarm in a gap of 30 minutes. So like if you're starting your day, you can start it from like 9 o'clock in the morning to 9 o'clock in the night. So during this 12 hours of the day, what you have to do is set alarms for 30 minutes. And once you set these alarms, after each alarm starts, what you have to do is you have to categorize, you have to write down what are those activities that you have done in those last 30 minutes, and you need to give a time allocation to it. So for example, if you have done breakfast, you write down breakfast for 10 minutes. If you had done reading a newspaper, write down reading a newspaper for next 10 minutes. If you are listening or you were on a call, just write down 10 minutes or 15 minutes on the call. And do it, commit it for next 7 days. I know when I'm talking about this, most of you would not really do it, because I know among all of you there would be only these 20% people who will be focusing and doing that part, and I want to reach out to those 20% people. So for those 20% people, I want to say that once you set your alarms for 30 days, you just start noting it down in your notebook of what is it that your activities that you're doing, and just allocate time to it. After end of each day, what you do is you make a bucket. You make those common activities that you have been doing, and you make a bucket of it. You give a general heading or a topic to it. Like for example, if you are on mobile phone or on your social media or on your WhatsApp, so all these things will come under social media. Similarly, when you are working on productive things, just write down work. It could be like operation, business development, administration, and so on. So start making labels and bucketing to each activity that you have been doing. Continue the same thing for 7 days. Now what will happen is, the moment you start doing is, you will be realizing that some of these activities, labels that you're making, are generating value, and some are creating waste. So what you need to do is, by the end of each day, in the next day, try to remove and eliminate the waste activities and double up the value, double up the activities on which you are creating value. The moment you start doing it, in 7 days, you'll find a drastic change in yourself. And your whole perspective, your time and energy will shift into a very different zone. You will be using your unconscious mind to create and focus your energies in all those things that really matters. So you will be focusing on those 20% activities by the end of 7 days that is getting you maximum results. And when you keep repeating those things again and again, it will become like an automated structure, and you will not be able to imagine any other way of doing it. With the kind of productivity and efficiency that you will gain from it, you will start creating and making, amplifying all that thing that you want to make. So in this case, your goal would be making income, and that could be making an income of 1 lakh rupees a month. And the moment you start doing it, you will be able to master your game, your growth mindset, and your growth blueprint. Wasn't that awesome? Great. So for all those people who are really looking to grow into their business and make an impact in their life and the life of other people, I have made a group, a Facebook group with name Digital Coach Masterminds by Piyush Bansal. Join that group, WhatsApp me on my private chat, or search Digital Coach Masterminds and join that group. In that group, I'll be talking about many more of such strategies and tools which you can use to get more customers, increase your revenue, or it could be create an expertise in authority in your field, and how to capitalize online courses to create abundance and transform people's life. Just go on the chat box and start doing it, and otherwise, if you are there, if you are the one who is watching the video on my Facebook group, then what you can do is, you can write down what are those best takeaways, 3 best takeaways that you got from this video. Just write down 3 best takeaways from this video. Until next time, Piyush Bansal. Thank you.